The main way the parts of your body communicate with each other. Your nervous system. The colors and sounds and odors, the shapes and textures that make up your world, wouldn't exist for you without the billions of cells that form your nervous system. Your nervous system responds to stimuli from the outside world in a way that allows you to become aware of your environment. The muscles that move you would not respond to your thoughts without the nervous system carrying impulses from your brain. Your nervous system is involved in the functioning of muscles and glands that do their work without your conscious control, like the muscles that keep your heart beating, that move your food through your stomach, and the glands that secrete digestive juices. Your nervous system helps the parts of your body work together in a unified way. For the sake of studying the complicated work of the nervous system, it helps to think of it as divided into three subsystems. The brain and spinal cord make up what can be called the central nervous system. This is a kind of control center that receives the signals, decides what to do about them, and then sends new signals to the parts of the body where the proper responses have to be made. The nerves that branch off the brain and spinal cord form the peripheral nervous system. This is the network of nerves extending to all parts of your body. These nerves provide your contact with the outside world and help you move through it. And a third subsystem is called the autonomic nervous system. This is the part of your nervous system that carries signals to the muscles and glands that operate without your having to think about them. Actually, of course, all these subsystems are closely integrated both in their structures and functions. The nervous system is a single operating unit doing many complicated jobs. Like all the parts of your body, the nervous system is made up of living cells. The nerve cells, or neurons, that form the nervous system are extremely specialized. Like most of your body's cells, a nerve cell contains a nucleus and the other structures in its cytoplasm that help it carry out its usual life functions. But it has two additional structures that help it carry on its specialized functions. There are fibers, or processes, that extend from the cell body of each neuron. The fibers of many nerve cells are covered with sheaths of fatty material called myelin. The fibers transmit nerve impulses from cell to cell. Fibers that carry the impulses into the neurons are called dendrites. The fibers that carry impulses away from the neurons are called axons. Once a nerve impulse is passed through a nerve cell, it travels from the axon of that neuron to the dendrite of an adjacent one. Impulses never travel in the other direction. If axons or dendrites of a nerve cell are damaged, they can regenerate. But the nerve cell itself is so specialized that it has lost the power to reproduce itself. Once the cell body dies, no other nerve cell will take its place. The cell body of a neuron is microscopic in size, a few thousandths of a millimeter in diameter, and its dendrites and axons are microscopically small in diameter as well. But there is a tremendous variation in the length of these structures, from a few thousandths of a millimeter